it Happy Halloween one? Is this the first one? I don't know this one. I like some sort of. These are the two. These are the eyes. I think this is egg banana. This is the eyes. These are the burgers. These are the sour tapes. These are the gummies. These are the, I don't know these ones. These, oh, that's gummy bears, and this is gummy Bye. And also that you, they will hear you. Hala, kakain natin.
Ito muna. Next. Wala pa. Yung mata.
Hala, nakulog. Ma'am. It's a gift. Yung mata din.
Wala pa.
I'll put it there. Wow. Yung mata! Nahulog! Hala, baka mapupot yan. Mata. Yan, baka mahulog. Yan, mata. Gawain! Hala, yung mata! Yan yung mata. Asaan yan? Wait, let me go. Wait lang. Can I do it? Hello.
Thank you. Want to taste?
Yeah. Okay, sure. I don't know which one.
Which one do you like?
I think I like this one. I think I want this one. Because it looks like a Mom, I'm having in my mouth now. Ha! He said to taste. He said if I can taste. Yes.
Yes, girl.
Ha! It's so hard.
Hahanap pa si Mama lalagyan, ha? Wait.
Okay. Ang lalag yan. I said you won't put that in here.
Hindi. Yan yung mga naka-close na. Burger.
Malaki. Ayan ang biggest. But why is this one like this? Can I take this? One!
Para wala tayong magiging problem.
It's super hard. It's also super hard.
What else?
Why is that one
Why
plate?
is it so sticky?
Wait, can I hold it with my other one? With my other hand like this?
I'm gonna give you one more piece. Oh, what?
What? I don't I want. I have this head. This big gummy bear. I want this one. It's a big gummy bear. I want this gummy bear. There's so many burgers.
Yeah. Last one.
How about this can be a basket?
Yeah, this is the basket. Pag tapos na, we will put it here. Last one.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah, the letters.
Oh,
Ubus,
ito lang.
ubus talaga. Okay.
Want me to test?
Taste it.
I want to try that one.
Ready na si Jaylen?
Yung mga